Welcome back to the vlog. Today's just gonna be running around doing errands. I gotta drop some stuff off, pick some stuff up, and I'm hoping that we can make a quick stop and go to the location I did last year and get some new sound clips of the RSF catless downpipe with the Corsa Performance exhaust. Something I didn't have the last time I did the exhaust clip, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So let's head to the car wash to start, and then we will go see if we can find a place to get some exhaust clips without getting into trouble. Let's roll. One of the nicest and newest car washes in Calgary, if you've not been to, is actually called Top Gear. It is just off of Deerfoot and Country Hills Boulevard for anyone that kind of knows that area. Super clean, bright, and very, very reasonable car wash that does a really good job. They got a lot of the newer features of like the foaming and protection and all that stuff. And you'll find a lot of the car guys actually come to Top Gear Car Wash.
The feeling we chase, I'm wide awake. Take me away now. 'Cause I won't go down the same old path again now. No, I've been running out of air, so let me catch my breath. Feeling I've got's making me crazy. If I'm having a good time, don't you blame me. Yeah, this feeling I've got's making me crazy, making me crazy.
All right, car's all spick and span. We just washed it at the Top Gear Car Wash. Like I said, really good car wash. And now I just got a message from our good friends over at Mile 5 Clothing, and they want to do a photo shoot with the car. So perfect timing that the car is all clean. We will get loaded up, head down south, and go see our friends over at Mile 5 Clothing. Short drive, made it out to Mile 5 headquarters. Such a beautiful location. It's just gorgeous out here. I think this stretch we can get some exhaust clips for you guys as well.
So I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive.
Here we are, Mile 5's headquarters. We just put the Team Mile 5 banner on. Now we're gonna snap some photos. If you wanna see what the photos and how they turn out, you're gonna have to go and follow at Mile 5 Clothing. Once he releases them and gets them out on his page, then you can then go and check on my Instagram, HQ_BMW, and they'll be there as well eventually. But we're gonna let them put them up there first, because he's the photographer, he's the one taking all the pictures. We just threw the banner on really quickly, and I think the pictures are gonna come out unreal. Also, hooked me up with some pretty sweet new apparel. It's suiting with the car. What do you guys think? If you want some merch like this, go check out mile5clothing.com. Everything's up there for sale. They're always rotating stock, coming out with new ideas, super awesome apparel, and well done. So go check them out and show them some love.
my friends. These are the good times. And I'm feeling like I could go on forever. And I've been running out of air, so let me catch my breath. Feeling I've got's making me crazy. If I'm having a good time, don't you blame me. Yeah, this feeling I've got's making me crazy. Making me crazy.
So what did you think of Mile 5's headquarters? That is one absolutely incredible shop. It is so nice. Talk about dreams and goals right there. Now we're going to just quickly head home and pick the kids up from school, and we'll see what we're going to do from there. But let's get home. Well guys, we're home. I think that's gonna be it for today. Just gonna chill and hang out. We got a couple big days coming up here with my kids and my oldest daughter, and I have a puppy dog that is trying to get in the vlog to say hi to you guys. But I think today's photos are gonna turn out absolutely insane. I got a quick preview of what they look like from behind the camera, and they're gonna be rad. So pretty cool to get that done today. Thank you to Mile 5 Clothing, and we're working on another collaboration of some photos that are just gonna be over top, but we're gonna need a bit more time. And today we ran out of time because I had to go get the girls, but I promise you guys we're gonna get those photos done. And once he posts them, make sure you go and check Mile 5 Clothing on Instagram, mile5clothing.com for any apparel, hats, shirts, anything you might need, women's, ladies, he has it all. So go give him a follow. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.